It's Jay again, back with another tutorial. So one thing I recognized in my last video is that, forgive the mess in my office. One thing I recognized in my last video is that I told you guys how to set up some parental controls and internet filtering inside your router, but I don't think I necessarily addressed how to actually get inside of your router, how to actually get to that graphical user interface inside your router. So this video will be quick and easy, fast, just to show you how to do that. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to discover what is your router's gateway, your router's IP address, which would be the gateway. Again, I'm on my wife's Mac, so on Windows, you would simply type IP config, IP configuration space / / all, and all that information will pop up. So Mac uses ifconfig. And as you can see, we get some important information. We get our IP address, our subnet mask, our broadcast address, but we don't get our default gateway. We get our IPv6 internet address. We get our MAC address, everything we get, but we don't see our default gateway. Let's scroll through, see if you guys might can catch it. And if you catch it, leave it in the comments. But we don't. So in order to find it on the Mac, you would type route space contact in get default. Okay, and then we see it. So that is your router's address, 192.168.1.1. That is your router's address. So now that we have that information, then we're going to go to our browser, which I already have up. I'm going to type 192.168.1.1. Oh yeah, admin. And typically generally on your router, it'll either be at the bottom of your router. It might be on the box if you still have that. But generally, for the most part, you can go to admin, just type admin. Sometimes the password will be admin, other times it'll be password. Generally, for most routers, you can search the type of router it is and admin password, and you'll get the password for what it is. So it's very easy. But I've already went in and changed my settings and things. So that's usually the first thing I suggest any user do is change their settings. We're not going to stay on this screen long, but this is the screen that pops up when you open up your router. It's starting to come up, so we're going to get out of that. Alrighty. So we're into our router. So now let's just move around and see what we find. So we got some very powerful things on your IP address. This is your outward facing IP address. We got the MAC address for our router. Let's see, wireless. Some of our see the things that are allowed if we open up our terminal window. Everything that I told you, you shall see. This is us. Sarah's iMac. 192.168.1.9. It coincides with what the iMac has. So everything I told you was true. MAC address 98.90, blah, 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 blah. It's all coincides. So interesting way to go in and find some information out, some very basic information that you may need, but also some powerful information if you want to change some things around. You got your advanced network, so where you can do some advanced settings inside your network, but we're not going to mess with anything today. I just wanted to show you guys how to access your router's graphical user interface.